Karadot.
Open.
Huh?
You show me the car.
You show us the car.
Show.
Hang on, hang on. I'm not as quick as you.
Slow down. Paris.
Don't pull. Because Papa can't. You can't pull Pa.
Pa, say hi sa akong vlog pa.
Lamo.
Pasiyahan mo sa vlog niya. Pa. Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hello, hi blood. Say hi blood. Anong sabihin hi blood ah.
Happy Father's Day, Lulu.
Oh, siya. Mak, happy Father's Day. Kuno sa Lolo, Mak.
Happy Father's Day, Lulu.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our
Channel!
Happy Sunday, everyone. So today where are we going today?
Name Papa!
Say it properly.
Name Papa!
Nani and
Papa!
yes. So ayan, nakabihis kami guys. It's currently mga ngayon, 12 o'clock. Tapos nakabihis si Mami, everyone pala. Kasi pupunta tayo ngayon sa firstly pupunta kami sa sa tiyuhin ni Daddy Mike. Tapos after sa kanila, pupunta kami doon sa Lola at Lolo ni Daddy Mike. So, yun yung plano natin for today. We're going to show the car to them kay Nani at kay Papa. So, we'll see their reaction sa ating bagong sasakyan. Outfit, yan. Ito yung outfit na ito yung binili ko sa TK Maxx the other night, guys. Ito yung top na $4. Tingnan nyo. Diba? I really love the color. Super me. Ayan, tapos tinak-in ko lang siya sa isa pang stretchy na na skirt na binili ko rin sa TK Maxx. Ayan. And then just pair it with the flats. Kasi flats lang yung pwede nating suotin ngayon. And I really like it. Very comfortable siya, guys. Kung pa-outfit natin. Ayan. Nak, show me your outfit, Nakbi. Come. Here. Stand there. Because it's very messy. The background here. Wow! So that's Paris's outfit. Anak, may siya dito. Kasi cold sa labas. So, naka-jacket siya ng makapal. Ayan. Wow. Do you love your outfit? Ma'am. Are you excited to see Nani and Papa?
Yeah.
What are you going to tell them when you get there?
Telling people what to do.
Telling people what to do? Like a boss?
Yeah.
Are you gonna give them a big cuddle?
No.
So first day din natin na ita-drive. First day, second day. Second day na ita-drive natin yung sasakyan natin, guys. And this is the furthest na pupuntahan natin with our new cars. Ayan. See, our Daddy Mike is watching
Oh, it's so close.
Hi, Daddy. Oh! Uy! Nanonood ng NBA, oh. Very noisy. There's a go. Carry this one. We'll bring that in the car. So that's your nappy. What's inside there, babe? Nappy and wipes and your extra shirt.
Can you get open?
Okay, open the door na.
Oh, open the door.
Ay, here you go. Believe it or not, may araw. Woo! Careful lang. Yeah. Wait, anak. Wait, there, anak. Is Mama's gonna get my glasses, huh? Can you please put this in there, anak? Come here.
Of course.
Of course, put it in there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Why are you going to car?
Yes! So, dyan lang namin pinark yung ating car.
Mama, can you see my parking stand?
What is it?
Can you see my parking stand?
Do you want to see if the park's done? Later na, anak, because we have to go see Nani and Papa.
Okay.
Family is going.
Wow!
Uy, tagak na. Agay.
Wait, you don't need that key, Mama.
What is it na?
You don't need that key. key?
I need the key, Baba.
Key, okay.
Ayan, so nilagay ko na ang ating grocery dyan, guys. Oh, kahapon.
Help me.
Kita ba? Loob. Help me be here. Pupunta rin the boot.
Oh, what's the blue?
Come on, put it there, nak. So, ito yung boot niya, guys. Pero, pwede naman to siya
Mommy, where's,
adjust, yeah.
where's my blue?
Oh, thank you, anak.
Mom, where is it?
It'll fly away, anak.
It's flying up.
Yeah.
Is it going to the moon?
Daddy, close it, Daddy, please.
Mommy, is it going to the moon?
Yes, going to the moon.
But the one for you was just for me.
What is that, anak?
I just want to put this shopping on by me on new blue just for me.
Ay, shush! New balloon. Oh my God. So, we're gonna go now. We'll just, guys,
I'm just
update you later.
I'm just going to the clouds and when it's a blue.
Yeah. No, the balloon's gone, nak. I don't know where it is. Somewhere.
For me to try again, you can see.
Okay. Okay.
Yay!
Go, go. Sit down properly.
I was hurting my bum.
You don't have the cord for this, do you, Bobby?
Yeah, hurting your bum, huh?
You don't have the cord for this? I mean, I can't use Apple CarPlay with this, can I?
What's that going?
That's gonna get the cable.
Where?
Uh-huh.
Where's it?
Shush, bigel ng ating baby, oh. Hello, anak.
Hello.
Hello. Do you like your new seat?
Yeah.
Alright, so see you later, tita.
See you later,
Here.
Tita. See you later, Tita.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami. Hi, nak. So, kikitain muna natin yung dito ni Daddy Mike. Go, go, go.
The nanny?
Huh?
The nanny.
Go see Tito first. Where is he?
The cafe, yeah.
Ayan. So, wala kaming dalang mask, guys. Pero alam nyo, okay lang naman dito na ngayon sa Melbourne na hindi na mag-mask as long as nasa ka, outdoors ka. Tapos, kain kayo, ganyan. Alangan naman mag-mask pag kumain.
It's going to kill him, right?
Yeah, he said it's been hard work, like, he's not feeling great.
No, I couldn't imagine. You've got to remember, he started smoking when he's got 14. What's he, 61?
Yeah, he said, he goes, I thought this is supposed to make me feel better.
Oh, yeah.
What is that? Coffee?
Yeah, well, yeah, I rang me, I rang him back. And,
Yeah, that's mine. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Ooh, that's mommy's.
what's that black?
Huh? It's chocolate.
normal.
I was standing
He's having a down, he's having a bit of a downer.
That is
So I think
chocolate too.
Yeah. The two
The same.
Yeah, because he
the same.
will get sorted.
Yeah.
Look, put chocolate in my
Yeah, the sound
the spicy one.
Spicy?
So I thought about him. So I just rang him and yeah, see if he's okay.
He's quickly been about his second week now, and I've never had a problem with people up until I got sort of like
Yes. Bye. Daddy's gonna stay here. Are you gonna go without Daddy?
Bill, we come. I want Bill.
Hey, Paris. Make sure don't run on the road, okay?
Yeah, around. No.
Come on, keep going. Are you excited, Nak?
Yeah.
Me too. Did you miss them?
Yeah.
We're here.
I want to get out, Mama.
that's it.
Hi, Nan. You have the same hair color with Mike.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
I want to get out.
Yeah. Come on. She's very excited to see you, Nan.
I bet so. Nanny's excited to see you too.
Quick, quick, quick.
Oh, look at the little girl. Hello, little Paris.
She's big now.
Oh, you're big, you're growing.
Hold on.
Give Nanny cuddles.
Get her jacket.
Oh, love you.
Here you go.
Love you too. You know, love you too.
Say I love you.
Yeah. Oh, you're beautiful. Say hello, darling girl.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. Wait, give Danny a cuddle again. The big one.
Cuddle
The
again.
big one.
Big cuddle.
Oh,
Little
Paris.
girl. Nanny loved to see ya. Missed ya.
What's this?
What's that? A letter box? Oh, is there any letters?
There's Domino's. Where's Pa?
Have you been inside, sweetheart?
Yeah, watch out for that one, honey.
Yeah.
There's a poo-poo, smelly one.
Who's that?
Is that your poo?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Coco Papa is there.
Yeah, I know that. Well, bloody hell, I didn't notice that.
Oh, little puppy.
G'day, how are you?
Go Papa.
Who's that?
Give Papa a cuddle.
How are we doing? Good? That's good. How are you, Princess? How do you like driving your new car?
Yeah, good. Really good.
Lovely car.
Hey?
Sky.
Kay?
Sky.
Sky? Who's a special lady?
Yeah. This
Sky?
special lady.
No. Do you know who's my special girl? Paris.
Now Sky.
Paris.
Sky.
Oh, love you. Then he could squeeze you to pieces.
You happy now? You see Nanny and Papa?
You haven't been.
Show Nanny and Papa your new car. Go.
I can see it. It's a real good.
Wow.
Come here, take me and show me your car. Come here.
Isn't it beautiful?
You take me and show me your car.
You take Nanny too?
Now the other hand. Yeah, the other. Let me hold that hand. Let me hold that. There. And you take me and show your car.
Nanny
Please.
too?
Here, Daddy.
How do I do it?
You show me the car.
You show us the car.
Show.
Hang on. I'm not as quick as you.
Slow down, Paris.
Don't pull. Because Papa can't. You can't pull Pa. Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
beautiful car. Beautiful, isn't it?
Which one is this?
Listen.
Yeah, I can see that. I know it's in the
Qashqai.
Qashqai. I see.
Qashqai.
Colour,
Yeah.
isn't it? Black. Yeah, black.
Kind of here.
Yeah.
Paris is showing you now. Paris, this way, Anna.
This way, sweetheart.
Huh?
Right here.
Right there. She's just trying to show you the details, man.
Oh, Nanny, come and have a look.
Wait, knock. Nanny will look.
Nanny, come and have a look.
Very nice inside.
See? Show the Nanny. Explain.
Show us all. Oh, look.
No. Don't open the boot.
Oh, bright and motor.
I do this right here.
Yeah, what's that for?
I will open.
Oh,
You open it.
lovely.
You got a key.
Lovely.
Ah.
Makes you want a new car, doesn't it? Beautiful.
Do you like it, Nan?
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's pretty smooth.
it is. It's beautiful. A lot of room too. Be good for the babies.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
two of them, two little ones. Be good. Won't it?
Yeah, more space.
Yeah.
We've got the car seat for baby Celine too.
Oh, lovely. Come on, Danny, have a look for baby Celine.
See, hang on there, don't close the because Nani wants to see.
Oh.
See, we got two car seats on the back.
Oh, lovely.
Making the go inside.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, no, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Still can't believe that we've got two in the back now.
Right.
Yeah, we'll go inside the house
Won't be
soon.
long now.
Yeah, no, very soon.
Yeah, it's a number plate.
But they're actually bringing you the new
What's
one.
it say?
It's already been released in
Some
Europe.
lady?
And stuff
There's
already.
his name.
Where is his name?
Yeah.
She's excited.
Yeah, very excited. No, she wanted to come here straight away. She doesn't want to go anywhere else.
Just come to see Nanny and
So
Papa.
we drove like
When go to the
37.
garden.
Don't go to the garden because there's a poo-poo.
Yeah. Papa go and clean it up
Like a
after.
doggy.
Yeah, naughty doggy.
And
Look at the dog.
Hmm?
this one.
Come on.
On the blue. Show mommy.
This more, Daddy?
Yeah. Show mommy.
Wow!
Do it again.
Wow!
Oh, I just missed it.
No, you didn't.
You didn't miss it. Silly Paris. Okay, last one. Wow! Good job.
Michael,
Yeah.
do you want to dish up that food or do you want me to do it?
I can do it.
Can you do it? It smells good.
Having coffee. Oh, that looks so good, Nan. Ooh.
I didn't know what it was.
Sweet and sour pork. Yummy. Huh? There, go around.
How many? 3, so I'm going to take...
Stop! Get on the chair.
Wow, sit on the chair.
Oh, quickly.
Oh, right.
Oh, Pa!
Oh, pa's last.
Jesus, Pa.
I'm gonna do it again.
Alright, me and Paris are playing now.
Okay.
Time.
Again.
I've got to be 3.
It's got to be one chair. Like that, chair.
Like that, see? That's Daddy. See, have a look at Paris dancing.
Go.
When the music...
Ah, Paris won! Yay! Good job, honey.
Good job.
Well done. Okay, give Daddy a chance. Give Daddy a chance. Na ka? Ah, Daddy won. When the music stops, you have to sit down, huh?
You've got to sit down.
Okay, again, give tiebreaker.
Paris!
Yay!
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Ah, go, Paris. Keep looking at it. Keep looking.
I win!
Yes! Papa wins.
I win!
I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. I'm going to do it again.
No, Papa win already.
I just want to win too.
You
She wants to win
What
too.
about your nanny?
Nanny?
Can Nan win?
Nanny can't win, can I? My leg.
Can Nan win?
Nan win?
Paris
I'll
win.
be able to win.
Is Paris
Mama,
like it?
can I do it again?
Don't look at me.
Has the music stopped yet?
Where win it?
It's stop.
Paris is the winner.
You're the best again. Paris the
Good
best.
job, sweetie. Papa. Say see you next time, Papa.
There we are. No, that's it. Blow me a kiss. That's it.
See you next time.
And we're going to play a game at...
Give Nan a kiss.
Give Nanny a kiss. I love
Paris,
you.
you're going to play musical chairs next time you come?
We're gonna play musical chairs next time.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo. It's now 7:55 ng gabi. And literally, kakapasok lang namin dito sa bahay. Pakita namin sa inyo. Nag-drive-thru kami sa McDonald's. Ayan, kahit na nag-dinner na kami doon sa sa Lolo tsaka Lola niya. Nag-order pa rin kami ng tawag dito kasi nauuhaw ako, guys. Kaya ayan, bili kami nito. Tapos,
Mama.
you don't like that? Wag kang be, show to Tita and Tita B. What you don't like?
That?
Come, show me. Ayan, nag-order kami ng cheeseburger. Pero tingnan niyo ang batang ire. Ang kinain ay ang bread.
Yucky!
It's not yucky. Alam niyo guys, nakatulog to siya sa sasakyan tapos nung nag-drive through kami nagising.
What's that?
Huh? That is meat. See? That's Elsa meat. Yeah, that's Elsa meat. Lala, gisimutan.
There's something to make that. This
Smells bad? No, it doesn't, no?
smell it.
Yummy. Smells so good. Tingnan niyo, ang kinuha niya ang bun sa ibabaw.
That smells good.
Yeah, I know. Did you have a good nap? At least 30 minutes yung nap ng batang ito. So, hindi natin alam kung kailan to siya matutulog. Ulit. Did you have fun with Nani and Papa? Did you play? Yeah, do you love them? Are you sure? Say, I love you, Nani and Papa.
Like you train.
Say, I love you, Nani and Papa.
I love you, Name, Papa.
I'll see you again soon.
I'll love you too soon.
Anak, don't play with that one na. Mama's gonna eat it.
My eat it.
Ito siya, guys, alam nyo, she's been a fan of food for the last 2 days. So, sinasabi ko, I think she is growing. Kasi, there were times talaga na wala siyang ano talaga pakialam sa pagkain. Pero ngayon, tinatry niya. Tingnan nyo ngayon, oh. Kumain. Nak, no.
Mom, I'm starting growing.
You're growing? I know, your face is getting bigger. Have a look at your face. It's bigger. Pagpasantahan nyo na kung merong noise, guys, ha, yung bzzz ganun. Kasi, alam nyo, sobrang cold sa labas. And, we turned the heater on straight away pagkapasok namin. Did you wave?
Okay.
Yes. Say hello, tita and tito. This way, anak.
A few moments later.
Alam nyo ba na 10 o'clock na ang aming Daddy Mike is tulog na. Pero kaming dalawa ay gising na gising pa. O, tingnan mo, oh. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo na ito siya ay nahilig sa pagkain talaga for the last couple of days.
Name, Papa.
Did you what was that? Nak, what was that?
have fun with Name, Papa.
You had fun with Nani and Papa.
Yeah.
That's good.
And Papa's in the shops.
Which one?
Papa's in the shopping.
That was Uncle Gary at the shopping center. That was Uncle Gary.
I like Uncle Gary.
Do you?
I like a planet.
He likes you too.
Yeah, he's a boy.
He is a boy,
I'm
honey.
not a boy, I'm a girl.
You are a girl.
I'm the first girl.
Do you want more orange?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, tingnan nyo.
Like to
Nanghihingi
hurry
na naman ng orange, guys.
Here. How do I do?
Nakatulog kasi siya sa sasakyan kanina sa buhay na buhay
Lots of
pa.
orange.
Lots of orange?
Yeah.
Of course, honey. For you, I'll do anything, okay?
On the lot.
Okay, mommy said kiss it, baby.
I want some pears and orange. Today, I eat it today with some. Now you get a present.
Okay, alright.
Mom, you get my present for you.
Yes.
Take that one.
Sobrang chika talaga to ang aking anak, guys. Tingnan mo,
Mama, can you help me to get my present just one
Of
though?
course, honey. So, ito yung ginawa niya, present na kita niya. Nung Mother's Day.
Mommy, this is a cookie.
Did you make that one for mommy?
Yeah, but that's from school.
I'm sure it's from school.
Mom,
Who helped you? Who helped you do that?
no, that was me. I do it by myself.
You only?
Yeah.
Wow, you're such a good
Why do you
artist.
put that hole here?
There's a hole so you can hang it, I think.
Mom, what's this?
Paper.
I'm gonna take this paper off.
Do it. Now, look what I got. No, put it down.
Mommy, and the pears?
What's in there? Tell me.
Pears? Orange, apples.
Wow. Are they your favorite?
They're my favorite.
Wow.
You know what? Every seed here.
Babe? No, there's no seed.
It's a smaller.
It's a small one. There's no seed. Tanawa guys, ng iyang aping. Di ba nagpaya na kaloy sa Ginoo. Pagabiyag. Akong gapaspasan
Mama,
kasi
can we go there? Mom, can we go
at least
there?
yung kinakain niya ay mga
Mommy,
ganito. Anak?
Can we go there?
Yes, honey. We'll go to the playground when they open, okay? Okay. Happy Father's Day pala sa mga mga taga-subaybay natin dyan na nasa Pilipinas or kahit saan. Happy Father's Day sa inyo. Yung sister ko kasi kaninang umaga, nag-message siya sa akin. Sabi niya na Happy Father's Day kay Daddy Mike. Ngayon sa Australia kasi guys, iba yung ano nila, yung Father's Day nila. September pa yung kanilang Father's Day. Tatawagan ko sila ngayon. Kasi nag-celebrate sila ng Father's Day sa bahay. Tapos sininda nila ako ng ano, ng video. Tingnan nyo guys. Diba? Sa labas lang yan ang bahay guys.
Ang father o
Yan aking father dear. Ayan. Nagbudol-budol fight sila doon guys. Ayan. So sobrang fun. It's more fun in the Philippines lang guys. No? Dito, pag Father's Day, ganun. Wala talagang ano. Iba kasi talaga. Anyways, I hope every tatay dyan ay having a wonderful day today.
Mommy, is any CD here?
You can check now. See, like that. Oh. No, there's no seed.
No, it's a smaller again.
Shush, big girl man kay mama. Eh. Palanggaan, mama. Do you love mama? Good. Who am I calling? Who's that? We're calling Tita. What's Tita's name? Mimi. Wala yata sila, guys. Ay, ayan, sumagot. Say happy Father's Day, Lolo. Say happy Father's Day, Lolo. Say happy Father's Day, Lulu. You eat it. Naigi ka on. Pasay hi sa akong vlog pa.
Lamo.
Pasiyahan sa vlog niya. Night vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hello, hi vlog. Say hi, blood.
Vlog ati.
Sabi hi, blood ah.
Ano pa, happy Father's Day to me.
That's my father, dear. Ayan.
Kinakusgan na mo nga, Papa. Bagong alot, bagong ahit. Diba? Guwapo.
Sana all. May basketball court sila sa harap ng bahay, guys, sa kanila. Tapos, dyan sila Presyang. Say happy Father's Day, Lolo ba?
Tanaw ka sa among food.
Happy Father's Day, Lulu.
O siya, Mac, happy Father's Day. Kuno sa Lolo, Mac.
Happy Father's Day, Lulu.
Happy birthday.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
Father's Day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday lang yun.
Happy birthday. Dee.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
What's Lolo's name?
Jeff.
Na Lolo Jeff. Lahat man to nga Lolo. Dito man to Pikas.
What's Lulu's name?
Lolo Patot.
Lulu.
Dito Lolo Patot. Huh? Na Lolo. Oh?
What was his name?
Ito, kat-kat. Agaw kat-kat.
Kaka.
Yeah.
He don't have some.
Yung pamangkin ko, guys.
Mommy,
Oh.
he don't have sopa, Mama.
Oh, do you still have store bum pa ba daw? Ingon si Paris?
No. Wala na siya.
I don't have sopa. I teach my mama.
Yeah, that's right. Di na gini siya makalimot, mama. Ayaw, gid kini siya nga bata, ma.
Mama, open the nap here. Don't
Gani.
nappy?
Like that.
I will get it
The
first.
store, yeah, that's right.
Store?
Ay, saban mo ka.
Have a look. Oh, tingnan nyo ang kanilang food, guys. Oh, sobrang sarap.
Ano ka?
Yeah. I'll have
Yeah, we
fish.
got fish.
Mommy, can me.
Oh, show them your food. Show them your food. I-show po ko na niya yung food. Uy, kamura dahil kabalo mag-show, ha?
It's here.
Oh.
Wow, orange.
Apple.
Tapos,
Pears.
pears.
What are they having, nak? Oh? What's that yellow, nak?
We're having fish.
Lemon.
Lemon?
Fish.
La, big fish.
Pineapple.
few moments later.
Guess what, guys? It's now 11:30 ng gabi. Nakatapos lang namin mag-video call ng aking family kasi nga nag-dinner sila for Father's Day. Tingnan niyo, oh, gising pa, oh. Because she was talking to her cousins and all. Nak, no? Nak, did you dance with your cousins, no?
Yeah.
Yeah? Anyways, guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito kasi si Daddy Mike ay kanina pa tulog na tulog kasi nga tomorrow is Monday, so work kami. Although work from home. Kaya okay lang na medyo kami matulog ni Paris kasi maka-sleep in kami bukas. So let's do a quick shout out, guys. First shout out goes to Novero Yoli, Tessie Diolanto, Shender Dadang. Shout out to sa kanya sigurong anak, Scarlett Lovell. Wow, nice name. Hello. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Chari Eurasian, Salazar and Duaris family in Silay City, Negros Occidental. Hello, it's been a while. Hindi ko nabasa mga comment mo. Thank you for watching again. Shout out to Digna Villavicencio, Maria Los Fleremonte, Feli Ilamparo, Joanne Owano, Sauda Uy, Jocelyn Pason, Lovely Dugumeo, Fritzy Marjorie Ramos, Jonah Rees, Leah Nipal, Joanne Ambe, Remedios Pauline, G. Alcera, Calvin Borinaga, Alena Risolis, Ivy Paklib, Shailene Rafales, Mercy Narito, Sharon Ando, and Jean Bagsik, our first viewer all the time. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this Oops. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Careful, bye.